Luar ka Batesi TV, ka undi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Lasitayaw tam menta ki nyau hajar ngut tam kinong tre Asha haga jela kila Sangeh Treikam namar bakapisa joki kedang sakut sa haga jia keren bad Myntri Sarkar bapai ya katanat kakot ya kia ba wailat mgi shela ulaong bakajing penslem ya kapisa kade namar ka don kajing bombay kendiat namar bakade kapisa kebawan nak sarkar pedeng bad ka sarkar jela kadang persyang kat bala ban penstet ban penyono ya kapisa jongki ulia thu bulia keren bad katanat NHM halor kani ndrai hadu menta umpat yo jingtip laki Asha kindang peteng ni ya ke jing Sangeh Treikam jongki hendrai ula ongpat baka sarkar kayale kat bala ban penyono ya kapisa jongki.
Also, there was a slight issue with because as you know that the money of the is coming from the center. So we are last time also I already discussed with my MD. Then I think from his end also he has called them, and then he have assured from his end he has assured them. But in the meantime, I don't know. I have not come to my knowledge that regarding anything that they are going to continue with their strike and all. But from our end, we are pushing that the amount to be released as soon as possible.